Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Robinhood Market INC, ticker symbol HOOD. Now this is one of the stock which has been underperforming after its IPO, and this has been a big underperformer instead of a market cap for more than $15 billion. And there are some positive indicators which you can see. The sales looks quite positive, although it does not translate into profitability or margins. That's a different thing. But yeah, the biggest problem here is you have a gross margin, but the operating margin is negative. So you are burning the cash, or you have lots of expenses which does not even carry out your operating expenditure. So the operating expenditure turns into negative. So this is not a good thing. You have to, the company needs to cut down the cost so that they can at least run their operating expenditure with the income that they are, or with the revenue that they are generating, right? I beg your pardon, the sales, not the revenue, the sales that they are generating, because some people using revenue as a profit. Now, as you can see over here, the stock is down by more than 77% from its 52-week high, and it has been an underperformer since then. Apart from that, the volume has increased slight a bit, so the average volume is 10.38 million, and the volume we have here is 13 million in the last traded session. So this is what has increased. If you are looking at the coverage by different market agencies, so the latest one by BOFS Securities, and it is giving an underperform rating with a price target of $22. Now most of them are equal weight buy. So just check it out from August till December, from peer perform to buy to equal weight to hold to neutral, then market outperform, and the next one is underweight, then overweight, then buy, then neutral, buy, equal weight, neutral. But this neutral thing, previously the neutral and buy was fine. There are only one price target, then equal weight and hold target has been moving down. And if you are looking since then, so from $65 to $35, from $40 to $32, and the latest one we have here is $22. So there has been a continued pressure from the credit ratings, you can say, or from the research agencies which define the quarterly results and which analyze the company's revenue or financial forecast. So they are literally bullish, bearish on that. Apart from this, you have some insider trading information, and there has been some buying that has been happening from chief product officer, legal officer, CEO, and then yeah, most of them, and CFO, the latest one. So everybody is selling, although it doesn't matter the quantity is more or less, but everybody is selling here right now. Apart from this, if you look at this news, so there is a notice, and then you have a class lawsuit. So this kind of things keeps on coming back and haunting the stocks. So what do we have here? So yeah, I think this is shareholder notice. So Faruqi and Faruqi, a leading national securities law firm, is investigating potential claims against Robinhood and reminds investor of the 15th of February 2022 deadline to seek the role to lead plaintiff in a federal security class action that has been filed against the company. And if you have suffered losses exceeding $100,000 investing in Robinhood stocks or option pursuant and or traceable to the company's July 2021 IPO, and would like to discuss your legal rights, and then you can call them. So this is what is going on. So what does it mean? Just look at this deadline, and right now the only information which you are getting is, you know, till January end or till February midweek, the stock is not going to perform well. That's for sure. Okay, because this news is uncertainty, and until and unless it get over, we can't see any respite. And apart from that, we have some negative news from both the analyst side as well as from the insider selling is concerned. So everything is negative as of now. Now, if you're looking at this chart has been moving one way on the downside, as you can see, and there is no respite, I would say. There is no respite as of now. But if you want to, get something out of it, if you're thinking positive, so as you can see in between the range, there are some potential possible movements which may happen. So what you're gonna have here is $16. Now 16.71 is your support as well as your stop loss. So do not go below $16. That's the first thing, right? And on the upside, we have a swing target of $24 to $28. This is a possibility that we are working on simply based on the move we have. So as you can see here, even in downside it is swinging higher and lower, right? But the next potential move will be on the downside. So stay inside the range. If there is a move, you know your levels and you know your ranges, so don't go below or above the range as of now. If there is anything which is about to happen, it is just a trading move, or a trading move is something which is not sustainable across market conditions, so you have to be very much specific about it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.